FCUV stock, Focus Universal Inc., currently still extending in this post-market / pre-market of the 2nd of September 2021. It's now at $29. It closed at 19.28. Since that time, we have actually seen it reach 30.50 dollars. So now it's moving again, 29.44. The volume so far 368,004 is probably the last, yes, the volume so far in this post-market session / pre-market session. So it has now inched down slightly to $28.97. Momentum is at 92.0, 91.08, indicating the stock is totally oversold, overbought as the case may be. MACD clearly above the signal line and extending RSI at 85.32 and extending. Everything is just strongly bullish at the moment. But first, good thing as well, or not funny enough, as the case may be, the volume weighted average price is at 27.65, not that far off from the stock itself. Okay, so I think, yes, it's just a good balance. It's a good balance. The stock is strongly bullish. The volume is matching up. The price based on the volume is matching up. Things are matching up. So we were able to find that yes, for that session, the 1st of September, 56.03% of the entire of the shares that traded were sold short. According to Naked Short reports, the volume for that session was 9.96 and 5.581 were sold short. So, but at some point we saw 37 million. At the beginning of this our video, we saw 37 million shares. Maybe in the post-market, much more market participants got involved, and that's good. But at the same time, it's only 100%, only double and some fraction of the entire shares on float. The entire shares float is 15.716, and outstanding shares are roughly 41 million. So that's what's going on. 15.716 million shares are available to be traded, and we saw about 37 million for the post market. Okay, so more and more people have started to participated. Probably that's why we saw the stock move even further from where it closed at 19.28 to where it is now at 21.2, almost a $10 increase since that time. So things are, it's just the bullishness is strong. So the news out there, according to Investor Place, is that the stock, it seems it debuted on the Nasdaq, but it's been trading for some time now, and it's an IoT stock, and it also has gotten the interest of a lot of recent retail market participants. And it's also, they're saying something again, that it has what is it saying here? Okay, it's in the IoT and 5G sectors, and these are high growth areas driven by strong secular catalysts investors have their eyes on. So amongst other things, that is what is also behind this interest in FCUV stock. Okay, so we say here again that's 6th place when it comes to trending tickers on stocktwits, a few hours ago. Okay, so that is amongst other things what is behind this rally. So these folks at the Investor Place have gone in to dig out what's going on. So we're just updating you what's going on. It has inched up for, okay, it's slightly inched down a bit now at 28.90. Volume so far is 397,451. So this is the daily model. For some reason, it seems to be the only one that is indicating what's going on in this session, in the post-market session. Let's look at the 1 minute model to see if there's any reflection in that regard. We have not seen anything yet. Nothing has moved yet on this 1 minute 1 minute model. So let's return to the daily model. It's giving us what we want to see. The figures, it's at $29.10 now. So there's no guarantee that it will continue to extend in the session of the 2nd of September. fingers crossed, if it continues to extend, that'll be good, So it's a highly risky play as well, very highly risky play. It has extended significantly bullishly. Just be careful, know what you're doing with the stock, and we'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.